Hello mga ka-electrical, so i-share natin yung first vlog natin na ginawa natin na 4 motor pumps na ginawa natin sa Pilipinas. So tara, let's do it. Hello mga ka-electrical, so ngayon i-share natin yung ginawa natin control dun sa Pilipinas. So it's 4 pumps motor, 10 horsepower, 460 volts, auto and hand mode. So actually ginawa natin to kasi yung building namin dati sa Pilipinas is a 3-story building. So yung water supply natin is nandun siya sa cistern tank, which is the basement. Then tinatransfer siya doon sa roof deck, which is nandun yung make-up tank natin. Ngayon ituturo natin kung paano ito gumagana. So to begin first, muna natin yung kung ano yung mga legend na nandito or yung mga symbols or mga abbreviations na. So ano bang ibig sabihin ng S1? So S1 is a selector switch, 2 position, tapos NC is a normally closed, NO is normally open. MC1 is the main contactor 1, which is here, main contactor 2, main contactor 3, main contactor 4, which is auxiliary contact niya to, yung normally open na nakaparallel sa push button natin. So tapos itong FR1 is a floatless relay, dalawang floatless relay, 1 and 2. Ito yung sa basement, ito yung sa roof deck. Tapos S2, selector switch 2, selector switch 3, selector switch 4, OL1 stands for overload 1, overload 2, overload 3, overload 4. And tapos ito BP1, ay BP, which is the voltage protection relay. Phase sequence relay is PR. Then we have also a group of run light indicator dito sa baba sa MC1, MC2, MC3 or pump 1, pump 2 and pump 3 na light indicator for run. And we have also here the stop light indicator. Same also, mayroong pump 1, pump 2, pump 3 and pump 4. And dito sa baba is a trip, so light indicator natin na yellow. So ngayon i-discuss natin isa-isa. Magsimula tayo sa hand mode kung paano ito gumagana. So if it is the first condition, so makita natin yung selector switch is nakapalo doon sa MC1, which is the main contactor 1. So let's start here from selector switch 1. So hand mode or manual mode, then goes here to normally close and normally open. So pag start mo dyan, so papalo yung MC1 natin na contactor. Tapos magla-latch ito yung MC na auxiliary contact, mag-close yan. So yung gumagana natin dito is yung main contactor 1 or the MC1 or yung pump 1 natin. So gumagana yan. If ever kung gusto mo gamitin yung pump 2 mo, so i-select mo lang downward para magamit mo yung pump 2. Para ito namang portion na to yung gumagana. Tapos if you want pump 3, so ito i-down mo yung selector switch, tapos ito yung gagana. If ever gamitin mo yung pump 4, so ito rin. Itong selector switch na to, yung ida-downward mo para gagana yung pump 4 mo. So, dito naman sa baba, ito yung mga light indicator. If MC1 works, so ito magko-close. Yung green light ay iilaw. So, if MC2 is gagana din, same din, ito yung iilaw. The same as MC3 and MC4. If what contactors you are using, so lahat yan mag-activate sa mag-green. Depende sa contactor kung ano yung gagamitin mo. Then also, same as this, red light indicator natin. So naka-normally closed lahat yan. Kapag standby mode lahat yung mga pumps natin, so iilaw lahat yan. If ever meron tayong gagamitin, so dito yung iilaw natin na green. If ever magti-trip, so ito namang OL1 dito na auxiliary contact ng overload natin. So magko-close yan para iilaw yung light indicator natin na trip.